Thymus gland. Thymus is an endocrine gland as well as primary central lymphoid organ. Endocrine gland meaning ductless gland that secretes hormone and pour directly into the bloodstream. Thymus is also called as primary and central lymphoid organ because it helps in the clonal selection of lymphocyte and is a site for T cell maturing, and it is a part of immune system as well as it helps in the development of other lymphoid organ. Location of thymus. Thymus is located behind the sternum and lies just between the lungs, and its position is called as superior anterior mediastinum in the thoracic cavity. We'll look it by diagram. So this is trachea. And here comes the lobe of thymus, and this is another lobe of thymus, and here lies the lungs. And beneath thymus, in between lungs, there is heart. So let's name them. This is trachea, this is thymus, this is heart, this is lungs, and the position where the thymus is situated is the superior anterior mediastinum. So let's move on the development of thymus. Thymus is a dual origin organ, meaning it has developed from more than one germ layer, that is 2 germ layers. So its lymphocytes are developed from mesoderm germ layer, and its epithelial reticular cells are developed from the endoderm of third pharyngeal pouch of the embryo. So you can see there are 2 germ layers, one is mesoderm, another one is endoderm. So it is called as dual origin organ, and due to the presence of 2 cells, that is lymphocytes and epithelial reticular cell, it is known as lymphoepithelial organ. Now let's look on the size of thymus. So thymus is well developed and has it all functioning in fetus. And after that, thymus starts growing and develops its huge size, that is its peak size, at puberty. After this size, thymus cannot go any further, and at adults, thymus starts shrinking and decreasing in size, and its parenchyma gets replaced by the fibrofatty tissues, which is adipose. So now what is parenchyma? So we'll see it by diagram. So here is a section of thymus, and this circle outline is capsule, which is made up of connective tissues, and the in-between part is parenchyma, which is filled by lobules, and it consists of thymic corpuscles, medulla, cortex, epithelial reticular cells, and lymphocytes. So this parenchyma get replaced by the adipose, and this process is known as involution. And this process occurs in the age of 30 to 65, where the thymus decrease in size and become less functional. Now let's look on the characteristic feature of thymus. So thymus has two lobes, meaning it is a bilobe structure, and that are unequal in size, and they are connected via isthmus, meaning isthmus is the connection point between these two lobes. And the most important feature is that it only has efferent lymphatic vessels. No afferent lymphatic vessels are found in thymus. Now what is efferent and afferent? Efferent meaning the lymphatic vessel moving away from the organ, and afferent meaning moving towards them. Thank you for watching. Stay tuned for part 2.